In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to change the color of your website's header when it's scrolled in Wix, a popular website building platform. First things first, you need to select the header of your website's page. To do this, simply navigate to the web page where you want the header color to change upon scrolling. Look at the top of the page, the broad, often rectangular segment that usually contains your site's logo, navigation menu, or other important elements is the header. Use your mouse cursor to click on it just once, and you've successfully selected it. Now that you have your header selected, your next step is to access the design options. You might be wondering, where are these design options? They're pretty easy to find. Just after selecting your header, a number of different tabs should appear on your screen. One of these tabs is labeled Change Header Design. Click on it, and you will have successfully accessed the header's design options. Within the design options, you now have to choose the specific state of the header that you want to modify. What exactly does this mean? Well, website headers, particularly ones made on Wix, have different states. The most commonly used ones are the regular state, which refers to how the header appears normally, and the scroll state, which refers to how it appears when it's being scrolled down the page. Depending on the exact effect you want to achieve, you can select either of these states. Let's say you selected the scroll state because you want the header to change color upon scrolling. Look for the option that reads Fill Color and Opacity, and then click on it. The final step in changing the header color on scroll in Wix involves setting the color and opacity to your desired values for the scrolled to state. After clicking on Fill Color and Opacity, you should see some sliders or input boxes. These will allow you to adjust the background color and set the opacity. When we talk about background color, we refer to the dominating color of the header when scrolled. Opacity, on the other hand, refers to how see-through the header is. If you want the color to be solid and not allow any of the underlying web content to be seen, you set the opacity to a higher value. In a nutshell, changing the header color on scroll in Wix involves selecting your header, accessing design options, customizing the scroll state by selecting Fill Color and Opacity, and finally setting the color and opacity according to your preferences for the scrolled to state. Take your time to experiment with different colors and levels of opacity until you achieve the perfect look that aligns with your website's design and aesthetic ethos. Happy designing!